Simplifying compliance. Your success, our priority.
Hello everyone, welcome to ExePro. I'm Abira Zainab, the social media manager, and today I'm thrilled to be joined by Jason Pastor Abitona, the cybersecurity consultant for our webinar on why GRC automated tools are vital for compliance. Understanding these tools' significance is crucial for organizations aiming to fortify their security practices and meet the industry standards. So let's dive right in.
All right. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to ExePro. Welcome, compliance aficionados. Today's webinar isn't just about understanding how the framework of compliance works. It's also about revolutionizing how you approach or how we approach governance, risk, and compliance in line or with the power of automation.
That's right, Jason. In today's fast paced business environments, keeping up with compliance can feel like trying to catch a speeding train with bare hands.
I could not agree more, Avira. But not to worry, GRC automated tools are there to help your organization. Sorry about that. They're like your jetpacks that propel your organization towards compliance excellence at the speed of light.
That's right. So, why should you care about these digital superheroes? Well, let's peel back the curtain and reveal their supercharged benefits.
Sure thing. So number one, these compliance frameworks serve as your guardian angels, if I may. They ensure you, or this ensures you, to stay on the right side of the regulations, the laws that govern your organization and your businesses, thereby centralizing all of your activities towards compliance and also providing you documentational support.
And with their lightning fast monitoring and alert systems, they're like having a 24/7 surveillance team, nipping compliance issues in the bud before they blossom into disasters.
That's correct. But wait, there's more. These tools aren't just your compliance warriors. They're also masters in collaboration. It allows your entire organization to be connected and to be coordinated so that you will have sufficient synergy across all levels of your organization, thereby achieving your compliance initiatives or your compliance programs.
And let's not overlook their power to generate crystal clear reports faster than you can say audit. And they arm your stakeholders with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions.
That's correct. And what's more is that they're also very cost effective because they're very effective in terms of their frameworks, in terms of their usability. It allows the organization to slash through inefficiencies, thereby saving your organization and your businesses time, money, and eventually headaches along the way.
Now that we have piqued your interest, let's zoom in on some of the jaw dropping features that make these tools the envy of compliance aficionados everywhere.
Right. So picture this. You have risk assessment and management capabilities that these frameworks provide. And these capabilities are like sharper than a samurai sword, allowing you to identify and neutralize potential threats across your organization with surgical precision.
That's right, Jason. And then there's the policy management. That's the unsung hero ensuring everyone on your organization dances to the same compliance tune, no matter their department or role.
That's correct. And let's not forget about their ability to perform surveillance activities for your organization. These compliance frameworks also have the feature of compliance monitoring and reporting capabilities that emphasizes your organization's performance in terms of your compliance direction or your strategic compliance directions.
That's right. And last but certainly not the least, their seamless integration capabilities make them the ultimate team player, fitting in seamlessly with the existing systems and the processes.
That maximizes their existing systems and processes. That's correct. Now, let's delve into the partnerships, wherein AxiPro is supercharging the compliance automation through these partnerships with industry heavyweights like your Vanta, Drata, and Thoropass.
That's right, Jason. Our partnership with Venta brings cutting edge automated compliance solutions, helping organizations effortlessly navigate complex regulatory landscapes and with confidence.
That's correct. And let's not forget about Drata. It's another key partner of AxiPro. This program or this framework allows comprehensive security and compliance automation that empowers the organization to stay one step ahead of um, anticipating evolving threats surrounding the organization.
And then there's Thoropass, whose innovative GRC platform provides organizations with unparalleled visibility and control over their compliance initiatives.
Yes, and together with these partners, AxiPro is definitely committed in delivering custom-made or tailor-made compliance solutions that drive efficiency, risk reduction, and enhanced organizational resilience.
So, in conclusion, the synergy between ExePro and the leading GRC platform represents a new frontier in compliance automation.
Very well said, Avira. And by harnessing the collective power of these partnerships, the organization, can achieve compliance excellence like it never has before. It will also set new standards for industry best practices.
All right, Jason, thank you all for joining us on this electrifying journey today. We hope you're leaving feeling as inspired and invigorated as we are.
All right, but before we go, let's wait. Let's ask our audience if they have any questions or clarifications or violent reactions. Hopefully none in that regard. But if they have any questions, let's give them a few seconds to raise their questions.
So there's a question, Jason, in the messages that does ExePro provide discount rates for subscription?
I believe there are a lot of offers AxiPro is giving or providing. As a consultant, I am not in the position to mention or to discuss the pricing, but definitely they can reach out to us regarding any questions that they have, any inquiries that they have, whether it's the services that we provide, the costing, and other matters in terms of their compliance with these compliance frameworks. So they can reach out to us via our website, our email at info@axipro.co, and feel free to ask away and let us know what concerns you regarding your organization in terms of compliance.
All right, Jason. Thank you so much
So,
for joining.
yep, thank you. And again, if you guys are still wanting more knowledge or you have any questions or clarifications that need to be answered, we are here to help you out, assist you. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. We treat us as your compliance allies. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day or night wherever you are. Cheers.
Cheers. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye.